So as we move on from the footer, we'll go to the e-commerce. So e-commerce, we have a full-fledged e-commerce system built in here. And you'll see all we ever have to do is enable this. So if you're doing any sort of e-commerce, just right off the bat go in and simply enable it. If you wanted to require login for e-commerce, here's where you can view orders and invoices, email the orders to. We want to send order button. Now here's kind of something that's unique with this too as well. Different currencies. Okay, so we have different currencies. So I told you this is global. So right now we're currently with Stripe and PayPal. We will add more, but for right now it's Stripe and PayPal. So this is where you would actually go ahead and put your Stripe ID credentials in here, your PayPal in here. This is if you want to add a shipping zone. So you can see right here your costs, cost type. Save this zone, and we'll want to go ahead and add a tax. So tax name, the amount, the percentage. Okay, now also something that we're quite proud of is we actually have a food ordering system. Now this is also something that we created. So this is now you can make sites for basically any restaurant, pizza, tacos, hot dogs, hamburger joints, steak restaurants, you pretty much name it. We've actually got this in here, so it's quite amazing. So watch as I kind of go through this. Ask for order type, pickup, dine-in, delivery, curbside, tableside, delivery cost, minimum order, locations. Yes, if your store owner has multiple locations. Now, as with this site, somebody who's actually using the site to make an order, and remember it's mobile first, so this order is being all done in the palm of the customer's hand. Different locations if they want to pick it up. Ask for time of order. Customization. Allow tips. Hide add to cart button. So that's our food ordering, and we even have templates for stores, for restaurants, for sushis, nail salons. It's incredible. Okay. And now you'll see we have a little shopping cart right over here. There we go. That is now the e-commerce. Pretty amazing. View orders and invoices. Obviously, we don't have any. And then we can even export them. All right. Great way to track your business. And if you have the CRM, well, that makes it even more powerful and a way to track all your leads. Alrighty, so as we move on, e-commerce, login and users, real simple, especially if you have any kind of membership sites you'd want to do. You'd have enable login and registration. Login is required to access this site. Send an alert to the site owner. That'd be you. View and download users is right there. All right, also kind of neat over here is registration field. So we have email or phone. Let's click on email. Required registration fields. Now again, if I want more than one, I would just simply hold my control button and click on the ones that I want. Registration validation type. This is cool. So what this is, so you're going to want to pick email or SMS is coming. Now what this is, this now makes the person who just signed up for your plan, signed up for your product, give you a valid email address, since they have to go to the email address they used to sign up and verify that it's a valid email address. So there you go. You can also use Facebook logins, Twitter logins. You can now drag and drop your login page logo there, or browse for run, login page text. So this is pretty awesome what you have right here. Okay, so that's pretty cool, especially if you're doing any kind of membership site or resellers out there. Really, really awesome tool right there. Let's move on down to localization, real easy one. Site language, we're in English right now. We're going to have more languages coming. Italian is not available here just yet. Now we have different date format, however you want to do it. It allows you, basically, like we said, it allows you to customize this for more than just North America. Alrighty. Anytime you do any changes, save and update it. Next one, download and share. Now what this is, if you built the site and now you want and you want to give it to somebody and they want to put it on their own system, you're going to just download this site and share it with them. That's it. You can download your site, all its pages, images, and content. Click on the button to start the process. In a few minutes, you have a zip file with the complete snapshot of the site in this moment. So then you can just send it to that person, and then now that person has the site, they control it, and they will update it and do whatever they want with that site. Mobile redirect code. You can use this JavaScript code to automatically redirect mobile visitors to this website. This is useful if you already have a desktop website and you want to use the site you are creating here only for users on smartphones and mobile devices. So that's kind of neat. So just copy the code below and paste it into the head section of the pages of the desktop site. So that's right there. So that's an incredible feature too. Somebody actually really already has a site, but maybe it's not mobile friendly or it's not mobile optimized like what we can do. Alrighty, so that's also pretty awesome what you can do there. Let's touch more. We'll have more advanced training on this. Analytics, let's touch on that. All right, so now this is if you have your Google Analytics, you would put your tracking ID in there. If I have my Facebook pixels or referral tracking, all goes in there. One-stop shop. Okay, next one, legal and privacy. It's exactly what it sounds like. This is where you can now manage your terms of service. You put it right in here. You have a privacy policy, cookie policy, show the alert, disclaimer. So there you go. You would already have this information already. You would, again, just copy and paste it. Now, if somebody did have this already on a website, for example, and you just wanted to copy and paste it off the website, again, remember, when you copy it and paste it into a Word document or a notepad, and then copy and paste it in there into the system. That way, everything that comes over is all uniformed. Again, I do say that quite often, but that's just want to make sure you have the best tips. Alrighty, so that is the options from the owner, name, header. That's one of the important ones. Footer is also important. Our e-commerce system is incredible. Login and users, localization, download, share, analytics. Alrighty, that was a little bit of a longer one, but that is your options.